Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Diana Ruth and I love doing shoeboxes and fillers for shoeboxes. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my winter journal kit fillers for girls 10 to 14. Now a filler is something that we can send off with our shoeboxes. The people at the processing center, our shoeboxes have to be inspected before they are sent to different countries. And if there's an item in a shoebox that isn't allowed, like a breakable or something liquid or food, they will take that item out and they will try and replace it with something else. So for instance, this could be used to replace an item that isn't allowed in a shoebox. So that's what I have done here, and I know that the processing center really appreciates it when we send fillers in for them. So this, I'm doing some in a pouch, like in a pencil pouch form, and like I said, they're winter themed, and I've got these little gold embellishments in here. A lot of these silver and gold embellishments that I have in my journal kit fillers were given to me by my mom. She had purchased these craft items that she never used, so a lot of the silver and gold is from her. So I thought those would be nice to add into my winter kit fillers. And if you don't have a lot of pencil pouches laying around, or you want something a little bit inexpensive, you can go to Dollar Tree and get loot bags. So some of my winter journal fillers will have these see-through loot bags. All right, so today I'm going to be sharing with you two different types. I have done a gold and green with winter forest animals, specifically deer in this one. And then in this one, I've done like an icy blue silver polar bear penguin. So I've got these two different types that I'm going to show you what's inside of them. Some of the other items that I picked up were from Dollar Tree. I did spring journal kit fillers last April, and I used items from this. You can get these very inexpensive, lots of paper in them, and there's different textures like tissue wrapping, thicker cardstock, and you can just kind of pick out different colors that you want to use to make your journal kits. Another item that I picked up was from Amazon. I think this was about $11, but I think it's worth it. I've already used some of these items in shoe boxes. You can decorate lids. These are so fun to go through and, you know, cut out different animals and pictures that you want to create your own journal kits for the kids. They provide you with tags and little pockets to make. Really pretty. And that's just a junk journal book that I got from Amazon. Another thing I'm using to make these filler kits, my mom gave this to me. It's just like a circle maker, and I'm using it to, if you have wrapping paper laying around, I've been cutting out like the polar bear faces and putting these in with my journal kits. Very easy for them to glue on. And once I complete a row of cutting out the circles, I'll just take a pair of scissors and cut the top so that I can keep using my circle cutter to use up all the Christmas wrapping paper. But you could use other wrapping papers too that you might have lying around. And then there's also, you can buy cardstocks from Dollar Tree. So I've been just making a bunch of these. These can be used to layer, or you can like hole punch them, tie a little ribbon on it to make a pretty tag. You could put a verse on here. So I like giving these to the kids to use to layer when they're creating their journals. So very inexpensive ways you can use to create these. And these are really fun to make. All right, so I'm gonna show you my winter forest pencil pouch here. I've got about 12 of these made so far. So inside, I just have a glue stick. Now when I did my spring journal kits, I had 2 glue sticks, but I haven't been able to find a great deal on these right now. So just one for now, but I do have washi tape in here for them to use. And I just wrapped it up and put a little hair tie around it to keep it nice and secure because the Ziploc bag was a bit bigger and they can use the hair tie. So a glue stick, and then I have this pretty green, forest green washi tape with a sharpener inside of it. A green pen that has a lot of craft paper on it, so less plastic on the pen. Scissors, Scotch brand. And then I've given her a pre-sharpened pencil, and I just put them in this coin envelope, and then there's 6 colored pencils for her to use. I've got a pretty gold metallic one there. And then all the different papers I have given her. I just cut this out from that junk journal book, Pretty Trees. This is an item that my mom gave me. She could cut this up and use it as an embellishment. This is from the Dollar Tree paper packs. And then I also had some of these stencils left over from my spring kits. Now, not every one of my fillers here are going to get a stencil, but I have a few left, so I'm just going to use them up. And then more pages that I kind of tore. I like that little torn effect there. I just tore these pages. She could cut them up if she would like to use. And then I've given her 2 of these 24-page books. You could decorate the outside as well. And then on the inside, I have given her an example. I just put, "You are dear to God's heart." Do you see what I did there? So I just kind of did a little something simple, but to show her what she could do with her items. And I created a little pocket for her from that junk journal kit that I got. And I just put a couple little tags in there that she could use. And that's it. And then in the front pocket, I've given her this pretty deer tag. I picked up some stickers. These all came from the Dollar Tree. Nice little felt. So it provides some different textures and snowflakes, and then to go with that green and gold, the deer and the trees. And then I cut out with the circle cutter, I cut out a little bird. And I've given her a winter rabbit. And then I cut out some of those from the Christmas wrapping paper. She could use these. And then I also had some gold pages that I cut out for her. So she has lots of different options to create her junk journal or her journal kit. So that's what was in my black pencil pouch here. Okay, and then in the loot bag, like I said, you can get these at Dollar Tree. This one is a icy blue or blues and silver theme, but again, she has a pre-sharpened pencil with colored pencils. Her glue stick, some Dollar Tree stickers, her scissors. The scissors really match the blue loot bags. And then more stickers from the Dollar Tree. I've given her a kind of bluish washi tape to go with her theme, and the pencil sharpener is inside. She has these pearl dots. Again, my mom donated those. And then more little papers that I cut out with that circle maker. Here's a little, kind of like a little polar bear selfie there. More paper that she can use. I think that journaling can be very therapeutic. And this gives the kids a way to be creative. Silver this time for the theme. And I love this picture. Isn't that cute? The little baby polar bear. Penguins. And then she has a blue craft paper pen. Her stencil. And then her notebook, and then the one that I used to create an example. And my daughter helped me make these again. This one I made, but my daughter had fun helping me make some. So again, I created a little pocket with some torn paper that I got from Dollar Tree. She's got little penguins in there with snowflakes. And this one I put, "The light of the world is Jesus." So again, it just gives her some examples of how she can create little pages in her book. And that is what I have done with my winter journal kit fillers. If you haven't seen my spring journal kit fillers, I'll have that video at the end here. But I hope you're able to make some fillers this year, and this might just be a way that you can create some. This is really fun to do, and like I said, I have about a dozen of these made so far. And I hope to make some more. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you later.